Alabama, northwestern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern Washington County, south central Clark County in southwestern Alabama, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Cincinnati, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Citronelle, Mount Vernon, Calvert, McIntosh, and Movico. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin, Clark, Mobile, and Washington. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for